Hi guys, it's Dr. T in the house. How are y'all doing today? So for those of you who have seen my previous videos, I used to call myself Dr. Lambert. I am still Dr. Lambert, but going forward, I'm just gonna call myself Dr. T for short. So today we're gonna answer a very important question, and that is, can you boost your immune system with your diet? And the short answer to that is, yes, you can. Yes, you can. Seriously, you can boost your immune system with a healthy diet. So I was reading an article the other day in The Insider in which Dr. Anthony Fauci says that he takes vitamin D and vitamin C as a means to reduce his risk of infection of COVID-19. And now I find that pretty interesting because the media has mostly been promoting fear, the use of masking and social distancing almost as the only method by which we can reduce our risk of contracting COVID-19, or better yet, developing a severe infection. However, I do want to let you guys know that there's a lot of evidence that actually shows that by eating a diet that is rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, you will get the vitamins, minerals, and fiber needed to help you boost your immune system. So I'm going to share 8 amazing foods that you can actually use to help you boost your immune system, especially during this time with COVID-19. Let's start with number 1. Berries. I got my strawberries here and my blackberries here. Now, why berries? Did you know that berries actually have an antioxidant called anthocyanin? So anthocyanin actually is a dark pigment that gives blueberries, strawberries, and even blackberries their color. Anthocyanins are anti-inflammatory. They're also anti-cancer, antiviral, and antibacterial. Now, the reason why anthocyanins are so important in this battle against COVID-19 is because they can actually reduce inflammation in your body, which can contribute to the more severe complication of COVID-19 called acute respiratory distress syndrome or respiratory failure. Another thing too that's really cool about berries is that they can also reduce your risk of heart disease. Now the next group of fruits I'm going to talk about are citrus. So we're talking about lemons, if you have some tangerines, Florida oranges, limes, grapefruits. All those things are rich in a potent antioxidant called vitamin C, which is also antiviral. And if you don't like lemons, then you can also use, or if you don't like citrus, you can also eat kiwis, which are rich in vitamin C, mangoes, and even pineapples. So get your vitamin C. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is ginger. So ginger has a compound called gingerol. Gingerol is what gives ginger that spiky kind of taste, that spice that, really helps to wake up your sinuses and also can soothe your throat. So get your ginger, you can put it in a tea or even in your cooking, very anti-inflammatory and good for boosting your immune system. The next thing I want to share with you guys are peppers. I got some yellow peppers here and I got a red pepper. Did you know that an ounce of chopped red pepper is rich in vitamin C? In fact, an ounce of red pepper actually has 3 times the vitamin C than a Florida orange. So definitely get some peppers into your salad. They're very delicious and they also give it a nice flavor. Now, the next item on the list is turmeric. Now, turmeric is actually rich in a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerful substance. There is a study that actually shows that curcumin can block the entrance of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes the COVID-19 disease, from entering into your cells. So definitely get curcumin into your diet. If you don't like adding turmeric to your cooking, you can actually get a recipe for a turmeric shot, which you can just simply take in one gulp to actually help you get that added boost of curcumin. Now there's a couple of things I want to mention about turmeric. Turmeric is actually best absorbed with a tiny bit of black pepper. So for example, if you have 2 tablespoons of turmeric in a tea, then you may want to add about an eighth teaspoon of black pepper. Now, black pepper actually increases the absorption of turmeric by about 2,000%. So it's really good to know the importance of how to combine your foods to get the maximum benefit. And if you don't like black pepper or you prefer not to use it in your cooking, you can actually take the turmeric with a fatty meal. For example, you can actually mix in a little coconut oil or some avocado oil, or eat the turmeric with the avocado, because avocado is actually rich in fats. So definitely get your turmeric into your diet. Also, since turmeric can be expensive, I actually got these two 14-ounce packs from my neighborhood Indian grocer. They tend to sell it a lot cheaper. This one was probably around $4.99 a pack. So if you go to a local grocer like an Indian grocer or an Asian grocer, you can probably get it a lot cheaper than at the main grocery stores. Now for the next item, garlic. Did you know that garlic is rich in sulfur-containing compounds, one of which is called allicin? So when you take a peg of garlic and then crush it up and leave it out, it actually releases the potent anti-inflammatory agent called allicin. So the main thing is that garlic has properties that are antiviral, antibacterial, and even anti-cancer. So definitely include garlic into your diet this season. Now, the next item I want to share with you guys are nuts and seeds. So I'm talking about some almonds and even sunflower seeds. Now, both of these are rich in an antioxidant called vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that also contributes to boosting your immune system. So make sure you either get some almonds in your diet, and if you can't tolerate nuts, try some seeds like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds to help you to maintain a healthy immune system. Plus, they're also rich in fiber. Now, I actually want to mention two additional items that I think are really important in helping you to boost your immune system. One of which is broccoli, which is a cruciferous vegetable rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and also vitamin K. In addition to broccoli, you also have other green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. All of these green leafies are so essential in helping you to boost your immune system. Plus, they have added fiber, lots of fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which are also responsible in helping you to maintain a healthy immune system. And finally, definitely consider getting a healthy probiotic yogurt into your diet that has bifidobacterium, because it's also essential for helping you to maintain a healthy immune system. So you see, there's so many amazing foods in your very own kitchen that you can actually use to help you maintain and even boost your immunity. Now, before you go, I have a couple of important things I want to share with you. Number one, adopt a plant-based diet. Now, this isn't just about boosting your immunity for this COVID-19 season. It's about boosting your immunity and maintaining the health of this beautiful organism that God has made you with for a lifetime. Number two, learn about how your body works. Learn about your immune system, how it works, and the types of foods and lifestyle changes that you can implement to improve your health. So I'm currently reading this book called The Ministry of Healing by Ellen G. White. It was written in 1905, and she combines biblical principles with principles of public health. And on page 7, it says, too little attention is generally given to the preservation of health. It is far better to prevent disease than to know how to treat it when contracted. She also says all need to become acquainted with that most wonderful of all organisms, the human body. And the third thing I want to leave you all with is to trust in God. This time has been very challenging for all of us, and certainly a lot of fear has been promoted on the media. However, Jesus Christ is the number one healer. He is the one that has given us the remedies, the food, and the natural resources, and even given the physicians the wisdom to help us to get through this difficult season. But I ultimately say trust in Jesus Christ, because he is the number one healer. According to 2 Timothy 1 verse 7, it says, "For God hath not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind." So it's so important that we trust in God during these difficult times, and most importantly, listen to his voice and what he's telling us to do in terms of how we should take care of our bodies. But certainly, all the things I've told you all, definitely see a trusted healthcare provider, because a trusted healthcare provider can also help you to navigate through this difficult time. All right, guys, so it was so awesome to have this opportunity to speak with you about the types of foods that you can use to boost your immune system. Definitely make sure that your foods are organic, whole foods that are minimally processed. That's the key. to helping you to maintain a healthy immune system. I'll be coming back with more videos and other tips, including the importance of zinc and other things that I would love to share with you. If you appreciate this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves. This is Dr. T, and I'm signing out.